Hi everybody, and welcome to the Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Hello, welcome back to Raspberry Pi for the older generation videos, and part 2 of our RFID videos. In this video we're going to complete the configuration. All right, we're going to complete the configuration for the RFID reader. All right, so let's go back to here. Right, this is where we got to in the last video. What I did do, and what I suggest you do, is save at this stage. So just click on that and click save. All right, so going on from where we left off. Right, we need to be under the if. Yeah, we need to be under the if. Right, okay, we've done up to the authentication error. Right, now we need to do an else if. ELIF space CMD, square brackets on, 0 square brackets off, equals, quotes, dump, all small case. All right, quotes off, colons. All right, this will give us our auto indent. All right, and this code is the default key for the authentication. All right, very similar to what we did before. So what I'm going to do, I am going to go up to here, this line here, highlight it, Control C, come down, right, Control V. All right, and it inserts the line of code for our 0 times F. Now I've just noticed, before we go into it, we're going to have to change it all anyway, because they are all capital FFs. Right, so I haven't saved any time, but I'm glad I saw it before we carry on. So FF, let's come across, change these to all capitals. Glad I saw it. So I reckon it had taken us ages to sort it out. So change these all to capitals all the way along. All right, then let's come down. So to our dump. Okay, FF, all capitals. Oh dear, things are sent to try us, aren't they? Okay, we're all here to learn. We all make mistakes, but this is a long code. That's why I've done it in 2 parts. All right, so we're at our dump, and 0 times FF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, square brackets off, enter. Then it's MFRC dot, capitals MFRC 255 underscore dump with a capital D on the dump, underscore S capital TR, brackets on, key, small case, comma, card, ID, capitals, brackets off. Right, MFRC 522 underscore dump underscore STR, brackets on, key, comma, card, ID, capitals, brackets off. Right, couple of spaces, backspace. We have another else if. All right, ELIF space CMD, square brackets on, 0, square brackets off, equals equals, right, all small case. And in the right, we should have had quotes. Quotes, colons, return, auto indent. Again, I've pressed the A. Else if. Okay, so we're on the right. Okay, block, all small case, capital A, DDR, equals int, the integer, brackets on, CMD, square brackets, 1, square brackets off, brackets off. Right, let's move it down a bit so we can all see. We can all see we're on the right. If, space, not space, sorry, brackets on, block, small case, AD, capital A, DDR, less than 0, brackets off, or brackets on, block, A, capital DDR is greater than, yeah, 63, brackets off, colons, enter, print, space, brackets on, quotes, invalid address. Address, how do you spell address? All right, exclamation mark, quotes off, brackets off, enter, backspace, data, space, equals, space, square brackets, 0, square brackets off, star, okay, star, 16, right, return, if, brackets on, LEN, brackets on, CMD, brackets off, less than 2, brackets off, colons, auto indent, data equals square brackets 0, square brackets off, right, and it's star and it's 16 again, space, backspace, else, colons, return auto indent data equals CMD square brackets 2 square brackets off square brackets on 0 0, all right, colons 17 square brackets off, return. The next data equals map all small case brackets on ORD all small case comma data brackets off space. Another data line equals list brackets on data small case brackets off. Enter. Bring this down. LEN capital DATA equals len, I think that's for length, brackets on list brackets on data brackets off brackets off. Right, and the next one, if space len data capital D is less than 16 colons auto indent data small case plus equals square brackets 0 square brackets off star for times brackets 16 minus LEN capital D on the data brackets off. Am I missing a bracket? Yep. I'll put a 9. Okay, so that's the len data. Enter. Backspace. Backspace to under the else. Okay. Now this is the default key for authentication. All right. Default key for authentication. Right. Now what we can do is, let's come up to it. Now we've got this correct. Control C. Okay. And Control V. Okay. Key equals 0 times FFF 6 times square brackets off. And now we authenticate. All right. So it's status equals MFRC dot capitals MFRC 522 underscore authenticate with a capital A, AUF, AUTH, brackets on, MFRC, all small case, okay, MFRC, or small case dot PICC underscore AUTHENTIA, Authentia, space, block, ADDR, capital A, comma, space, key, comma, space, card, ID, brackets off. Okay. And now, enter. Yeah, we're on that. Check if authenticated. Just bear with me. Okay. I'm just checking that the code's not just not copying itself, because we seem to have done this all before, but no, it's in the code. So if status equals MFRC dot MI capitals underscore OK colons auto indent print space brackets on quotes on before writing space comma space the data in block space %D space is colons space quotes % brackets on block capital A DDR brackets off block. What if I put blocks address, right? Come to the end, enter. Right, MFRC all small case dot MFRC capitals 522 underscore reads capital R capital S TR read STR brackets on block ADDR brackets off. Again, I'll put a 9. You know what it is? I'm trying to go too fast. Let's slow down. Let's take it easy. Enter. Then we've got MFRC again. Dot. MFRC capitals of 522. Underscore. Right with a capital W. Brackets on. Block. Capital ADDR. Comma. Space. Data. Brackets off. All right. Enter. Print. brackets on, quotes, after written, space, comma, space, the data in block, space, %D, space, IS, quotes, sorry, colons, %, brackets on, block, address, ADDR, brackets off, brackets off. Right, I've missed a quote there. Right, quote, after written, space, comma, space, the data in block, sent, ID, quotes, there. Okay, we forgot the quote. Turn off there. Oh, wrong one. Where are we? Okay. Right, so we've done that print command. Right, our next command is we press return. MFRC dot MFRC capitals 522 underscore read READSTR brackets on BLOCK capital ADDR brackets off. Return. Backspace under the if. Right. Else. Colons. Enter. Print. Space. Brackets on. Quotes on. Or indication. Error. Quotes, brackets off. Return. Right, let's come over to where we want to be. Right. So, backspace. Right, we're under the else. We need to be under this else if. Backspace. I believe so. Yep. For our next line of code. Oh, I forgot one line. I forgot the one line. Else print error. Return 0. Enter. Backspace. Right. Not far to go now, guys. Not far to go. Told you it was a long program. Another else if. CMD. Square bracket 0, square brackets off. All right. Space equals quotes clean, quotes off, colons, auto indent, block, capital ADDR equals int, brackets on, brackets on, CMD, square brackets 1, square brackets off, enter, if, brackets on, block, A DDR, capital A, less than 0, brackets off, or brackets on, block ADDR, capital A, is greater than 63, brackets off, brackets off. What's happened there? Brackets on, bracket. I should have had two brackets on at the beginning, apparently. Yeah, brackets on, brackets on, brackets. Yeah, should be all encased in brackets. Sorry about that. Just had a message come through. Let's get rid of that. Right. So, yeah, and it's colons, auto indent, print, brackets on, quotes, invalid, address, exclamation mark, quotes off, brackets off, enter, backspace, data. So we're under the if, space equals, square brackets on, 0, square brackets off, star 16. Okay, let's move this down a bit. This is the default key for authentication. Right, okay. This is getting. But it says that's what it's there for. Let's see if we still got that saved. Yes, that's what we need. Control V. All right, Control V and authenticate. So enter status equals MFRC, or small case, dot MFRC 522, all uppercase, underscore A capital UTH, brackets on, MFRC, full stop, PICC capitals, underscore AUTHENTIA, comma, space, block ADDR, comma, space, key, comma, space, card, capital ID, brackets off, return. Just want to make sure I've got all that line. Yeah. Check if authenticated. If status equals MFRC dot MI underscore OK, colons, enter, auto indent, print, space, brackets on, quotes on. Before cleaning, space, comma, space, the data in block space %d is colons, quotes off, percent, brackets on, block, A capitals DDR, brackets off, brackets off. Enter. MFRC dot MFRC of 522 underscore read capital R STR read string brackets on block ADDR brackets off. Yeah, there. Enter. MFRC dot MFRC capitals 522 underscore write with a capital W brackets on block A capitals DDR comma space data brackets off. Return. Print. Brackets on. Quotes on. After clean. Cleaned. Space, comma space. The data block. Block. Space, %D, space, IS, colons, quotes, off, %, brackets on, BLOCK, capital A, DDR, brackets off, brackets off. Okay? Return or enter. MFRC small case dot MFRC uppercase 522 underscore read capital R EADSTR brackets on block capital A DDR brackets off. Enter backspace. We now need to come under the if. All right. Else colons return auto indent print brackets on quotes authentication error quotes brackets off. Enter. Return space 0. Enter. Backspace. Nope, sorry. Tab. We need to be under the else. Hang on, no we don't. I was right. Backspace. Okay. We need to be under the else if, which we are. All right. Right. So we've done all that. Where are we up to? Print authentication error. Return. Right. Else if CMD square bracket 0 square brackets space equals equals quotes halt all small case quotes off colons return 0 enter. Now we've got a long line of code. Okay, so else colons enter print brackets on quotes. Right, I'm going to take it nice and steady with this, and we'll do a little bit at a time. Capital U S A G E colons backslash R backslash N quotes space quotes backslash T read space less than block start greater than backslash R backslash N quotes space quotes backslash T dump backslash R backslash N quotes off quotes on backslash, let me move this so you can see it, right, backslash THAL T backslash R backslash N quotes space quotes backslash T clean space less than block address capital A, no it's not, ADDR greater than backslash R backslash N quotes off space quotes on backslash T right space less than BLOCKADDR all small case greater than space less than data greater than /R /N quotes off, brackets off. Right, now I'm pretty confident I copied that correctly. Pretty confident. All right. So that's a basic. That's the code done. Okay. Right. It's a long old coding. Let's save it. Right. Ooh. I'll leave the code open just for now. Let's run the program. Right, line 42. Line 42. See where we are. Else print. Okay. Let's see where we are. Else. Command quit. Oh, I see. I think, looking at this, we've got destroy, exit. Okay. Colons, enter. All right. And let's come along, because that don't look quite right. So, T unknown plus quotes on T scan, scan card, dump, N quotes plus quotes. Yep. T quit exits program \N. Right, a couple of little mistakes there. All right, we have to bring the print down. Let's do a couple of Control C's. I'm sure there's going to be more stuff wrong, but one step at a time. Line 104. Let's have a look. 104. 104. Right, LCF command 0 clean. Right. 104. If status up equals right, MRC MI underscore OK. Okay, let's try again. Save it and run it again. Program is starting. Press Control C to exit. Let's get our card. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Unknown command, scan card and dump. Quit exit program. Hang on, let me just sort this out. I don't know how this is supposed to work. I haven't got a clue. Unknown command, scan card and dump. Right. So how do I use this? Do I put it like that? Like that? Could be. Could be. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this for now until I've sorted it out. It could be that because it's red. Now, is it supposed to change colour when I put my card on here? I don't know. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look into it. I'm going to stop the recording for now. Just see if I've got any issues with the hardware. One moment, please. Hello, guys. Yeah, I had to stop the video. So we got a little break in the video, I'm afraid. And I've sussed it. I've sussed it out. Okay. Now, throughout the code, I did have a few typo errors. So what I suggest you do as you're going through the code, just check your typos. Just check your typos. When you do a run, it will bring up the typos anyway. Right. Now, if we look at the code, right, in the code, it says in the command line, that's what that means, type or scan. It will then print scanning, right? And then if it's true, it will work, right? If it's true, it will work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the code. In here, we have to start scan. Type scan, right? And it's scanning. We then can get our card and we can put it on the scanner. Card detected. Now it says here, select tag failed. Select tag failed. Right? So what I'll do, we'll try it again. Right? Using our card. Run it again. Okay, we type scan, enter, scanning, put the card on, card detected. Okay, card detected and we're through. Now what I'll try, I'm going to try the fob this time, the little fob. Let's run it again. Scan. Enter, put the fob on, card detected and we're in. Okay, card detected and we're in. Right, it worked. It worked. Okay, all working. I'm glad we got that working because we are going to be using this module in future projects. Now, here's something to look forward to. Here's something to look forward to. Apart from the camera, all of the modules we are going to be using in our projects have been coded. So, a lot of the code we'll be writing in our projects we've already done. So, we should sort of understand what's working and what we're writing as we go along. But as a look forward, the first project we are going to be doing, and we're probably going to be doing that in two parts. The first part doing the circuits, because we're going to be doing it all on a breadboard, and the second part doing the coding. We are going to be doing a project called Welcome, and it's a project that automatically opens and closes a door. All right, just like when you're going into a supermarket, the sensor picks you up, the door's open, you go in, the door's closed, or an office. That's what we're going to be doing. Our first project in the next video. Okay, great. Hope you found this video useful. Please give us a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you the next video, our first project. Bye bye. Stay good.